Hawadaki.
Hawadaki, Mom.
Welcome to Cebu White Sands Resort and Spa. This is a super late upload vlog. We were here at White Sands around July 2022 and it was really surprising to see Tayan who just turned 2 years old.
Naami karon sa likod sa balay sa musilingan. Pero naani misa. Tadan. Tayan, hi. We're here at White Sands. So it's another overnight getaway for Tayanovsky. Tayan! Tara, dagan. Here. Hato. Watch the bird. Hi! What's that? It's a bird, anak. So, naay bird din eh. Ang pangalan sa bird, Casey, hands off. Hands off bird. Okay.
Kana.
Bye-bye na bird. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay, bye-bye bird.
Kana.
Katupod.
Katupod.
So for our quick room tour, here's our family room located at the Heritage Wing.
Open. Wow! What's that? CR. Very nice. Very fancy. Where's Tayan? Taras Tayan. Hi. Up and then naini sala. Nasa, I don't know. Secret door.
Walk-in closet.
What are you doing there? Nice secret door. Then natay backyard view. We exclusively booked this pool for ourselves. Ligo na tayo. Shower, anak. So White Sands is one of the affordable ones. Once again, so affordable na mga resorts here in Cebu. Especially because it's a bit smaller than the rest. Like for example, you could already see the highway over there. But still, very good place. Yay! Lulu.
Sige.
Hi!
Ma,
Dali. Up. Wow!
Daddy.
Yes, where's Mama?
Go.
Whoa! Sing daddy bi.
Wow, it was Spider-Man.
2, 3. Yay! Tugnaw? Oh, Spider-Man.
Masangit ka kadari, oh.
Ada. Again. Spider-Man. One. Okay. Oh, sige, go.
Shell.
What's that? Baklabay. The beach. Na nag-sound check. May event. This is how it looks like. Ta-da! It's not really that big. The beach is not really that big. And it's about to be low tide. So, Tayan is busy with the sand na lang. Hi! What's that? Oh, crocodile. Spider-Man. 1, 2, 3, jump! Mama is this? Up. Hold daddy. Hold. Ala. Kuan, makaswim na si Tayan. Yay! With life best. Happy na. Yeah. Go, go, go. Yay! Go, Tayan!
Touch the balloon, touch!
Lula! Yay!
Being a wise, typical middle-class family, we decided to go outside of the resort for our dinner and landed at this food park minutes away. It's called Merkato de Mactan.
We're here in Merkato de Mactan. Murag na battle zone. Masud na ta sa langit. Among anak na nasa monkey bar to ay. Monkey bar. So far it's all pretty good here at Merkato Mactan. We have Thai food and barbecue and Tayan is busy. So he's still fixated with stones. So playing pa siya with stones. Tayan! Wala kami na ngaon. Ang isa kay nag-dessert na. Hi! Hi! So we just had dinner outside where we were able to have a very affordable dinner. Now we are going up there. Twink twink up there to have a chill night. Hi! Wow, very nice background. Anak ko?
Keep like
Oh, hold Tayan. Hold Tayan GoPro.
Keep.
Oh no. Yay! Hello everyone. So we have wine for Mama and we have watermelon shake for Tayan. As Mama. Tara Mama. So far nag-enjoy ang duha. Hi Mama. Tayan, say hi. Lang na ako sa isa. Hi Tayan. Oh, wine.
No, stop it!
Stop it? Why? Nga naman?
Stop it nga. Nga naman? Nga di makamainom ani.
Lami man na. Ano dyan? Hindi ka big ni mo. Ngunit buhata ha?
A few minutes later.
Try everything.
One more. So, what's the status this morning? Let's find out.
8 o'clock na. Natulog pa.
Good morning. This is my wife. If you don't know. Okay. La.
Good morning.
Good morning sa mga birds. That's a plus and negative points here. Plus point na yung mga birds. So it adds a good sound ambience. Negative points because they're all caged. Hello. Okay. So far the food is good, more or less complete in a breakfast, buffet breakfast, no? Cereals, they have bayams, longganisa and corned beef, and they have congee and oats and salad bar, and the good thing is they have your egg place, where you can have your eggs made. Then lolo. Yay! Pineapple juice and yogurt. Yay! Ano quiet man? Quiet? Imo ipa-quiet ang bird. Hello! So we just had breakfast and Tayan is exploring the place. I'm just following him. We saw birds and now we're looking for fish in the fountain. So let's see if there's fishes. False alarm! There's no fishes here. Wala lagi fish. No fish here, anak.
Crocodile?
Wala may crocodile. Hi.
Ki, kataki.
Wala man fish, wala key.
Ayaw ki.
Yes, we finally found the key. Na ay mga fishes.
Ano? I want to eat tea.
You want key?
Kalaki.
So I just discovered today that Tayan knows the colors through his favorite fruits, mango and orange. Oh, asa man orange key?
Yeah, not orange tea.
Na ito orange key. Asa man mango key? Mango.
Wo.
Wala mango key?
Wala.
Wala.
Baby tea.
Baby key?
Baby tea.
Ay, napadaghan key diri anak ay. Hi, so we're in this other building. Hala, who's that? Tara, kita to. Hala, kita na. Tayan, kita mo na. Yay, so we found this very relaxing place. Tara. So as you can see, there's plenty of fishes and greens and mga chairs na relaxing. So this could be one of my favorite places here. I love the sound of the water. Very calming.
Tayan.
Come here.
Picture.
Picture. Ready, go. Oh, mami.
Mami, picture eh. Video. The time lapse.
Mama. Okay. Yan po yung sound effects.
Ano? Okay, good.
Okay, bye-bye.
Thank you.
Give me. Oh, give me a picture. Mama.
Ano lang diri? Asa na to? Picture.
Okay.
Bye.
Ay, mama, smile, mama. Garol.
Oh, dire.
Dali. Ingo.
Betul. Yes.
Oh, mama.
Hi. Dami ako. Kulukig ko mo. Hi.
Okay, Tayan.
Oh, daddy naman na. Oh, tayo na po. Smile.
All in all, White Sands is a very good deal. It's one of those resorts that are proven and tested here in Cebu. And if you're looking for a compact place with swimming pool, beach, and food, White Sands is an easy choice. However, the best part is we are so glad to see and compare Tayan as a small 2-year-old. And it's beautiful to see how fast he has changed and how amazing he has become. We are happy of his 2 milestones, his swimming achievement, and one thing I'm personally proud of, seeing my photographer apprentice.
Thank you for watching another adventure of Super Tayan ang Batang Lagan. Please don't forget to subscribe, comment, and hit like. And feel free to watch these other vlogs of Tayan as well. Thank you and see you on another adventure of Super Tayan ang Batang Lagan.
Hi!
Catch. 1, 2, 3, go.